what we're going to do, this competitive one over here, Rico is going to call out. Rico's going to call out a country, and you've got to be see who can be the first one to find it. We're going to do we're going to do 10 countries, okay? So first of all, you've got to spin your globes. Okay, now hands by the side of the table. Right, when you're ready, Weeks.
Wait, mine's still spinning.
It's because you want more oil than that. Okay. So test round. Atlantis.
What?
I really want to look. Fuck, you actually got to reach that.
No, because I thought of Antarctica or Atlanta.
Look, watch the FBI start watching this and like, these kids know where Atlantis is good. Alright. Madagascar.
Oh, that's easy.
I don't know anywhere.
Found it.
Where's that?
Good, well done. You doing the points as well? Okay, hands by your side.
Britannia.
What?
Take the root word of what I just said.
Yeah, Britain, but... Are you serious? Found it.
Okay,
No, you said Britain.
Britannia is Britain. Europe.
Found it.
See? Asia. What?
Just the
Found
continent,
it.
touch the whole continent.
You just touched the whole continent. Australia.
Oh, that's not a continent.
Shout out it. Oh.
Oh, it's here. It's because it's at the bottom.
Ready?
Am I still supposed to be doing continent?
Yeah.
There's only 7 continents, you know.
Yeah.
Antarctica.
What?
Are we doing continents?
Found it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Found it. It's tiny.
Okay, good.
Bulgaria.
I know where it is.
What continent is it in? Bulgaria.
No, the
Isn't it in Europe?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, but it's so... Found it. It's so small.
Yes, you've got to know the continent first.
Colombia.
Oh.
Found it.
Where was it? Touch it then. Show me where it is. Good. Okay.
Ecuador. If you remember the word,
Solomon Islands in Australia, those are places I wanna take ya. Let's explore my
Galapagos Islands, Ecuador.
So it's right near the equator.
Oh my,
Okay.
I really should have found it as well.
Did you? Where's your one? Go on then. Last
No,
one.
I've lost your notes.
Oh.
Oh, no, there it is. Why do you have the most random, like, countries?
He likes to be harder because, yeah, he's not going to choose France.
Oh,
Actually.
he's gonna choose. I know what he's gonna choose.
What, you're gonna do Finland?
Anyway, what are you gonna choose?
Wait, did you write down the countries?
No, he just knows them. That's why I put him over there.
That's such a... Just go on, actually, hold on.
Can you choose Finland for me?
No. We'll do,
Is there another country beginning with F?
Oh, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
I know Finland and France.
Finland and France are pretty assuming ones I know. Hold on.
And this one?
Wait,
France.
I'm
Found it.
sorry.
Did you say France? Oh, you got it.
So you said up to F, yeah?
Yeah, we could Chuck got it. Yeah, okay, good. Chuck, who won that round? Alright, so we can Chuck, you're going to call out the countries now.
Oh, you started already.
No, wait, stop. Okay, you've got to spin your globes. Hands by, okay, that's fine, we have that one.
I found it. It's my point.
No, but I didn't
It's my
actually
point.
do.
No point for that one.
What?
Because I want you to spin it first and put your hands by the side. Same rules. Okay, hands by the side.
Mine's
Wait, are we going A to Z or we just doing random?
We're going from G. Do you know any other countries?
I don't know if it's a country. Like I heard it before.
Yeah.
Even if it is.
You're going there.
Well, just...
Yeah, that's one definitely. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, snap, I actually know what that is.
What continent is it? Who knows?
I thought it was in Africa, but I'm.
Did you say Grenada?
Oh wait, no, that's not in Africa. I'm so.
Where is it then?
I don't know. It's over here.
It's in Europe. isn't it?
No.
I don't know. I don't know
Caribbean.
Grenada.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
It's in Europe.
I can't remember where Grenada is.
It's good.
Oh,
You
you
didn't
just
do it.
spin it every time.
Well, it's not. It's not my fault. Mother just isn't good with the rules.
Gosh.
Yeah, go.
Okay, after you.
H.
Yeah. What?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh yeah.
No, you can look because looking at one.
No, I'm looking at one.
I don't know even.
I think a hamburger.
Oh no, I'm not looking at it.
Country beginning with H. Country beginning with H.
Oh, this thing's tiny.
Okay.
Oh,
Hawaii.
Yeah, 30%.
where is it? Oh, found it.
Fine. Oh.
Okay.
I thought it was closer to the United States. And
Yeah,
it was...
I thought it was way closer, so I was just
Need
like.
one beginning with I.
Israel.
Of course you would say that, though. We wouldn't. Found it.
What continent is it? What continent?
Europe.
Next one, Chugga. J.
No, it's not. It's in Europe. No, it's...
Don't you dare, Rico. He's like, he already knows what you're gonna do. Spin your globe. Spin the globe. And choose one beginning with J. One and spin
you
it,
have to
Chugga.
spin.
Yeah, spin and then. And stop. Choose a say country.
Jamaica.
But you knew it was gonna be Jamaica anyway.
That's so not fair.
H I J. I know. Rico just knew because it was J. Next one, K.
Well, can it be a city or it doesn't have to be?
Kenya, I know.
Yeah, I know it's Kenya as well.
I never said it all.
You never said it. Hands by your side. Hands by your side.
No,
No,
see,
gotta be a country.
You take too long. She's Kangaroo Island.
But
Because
I
you
just-
can remember
Kenya.
it.
I don't know.
Why can't I find it?
Well, I'll find it.
Oh, found it.
I can't find it.
What continent?
Africa, of course.
Oh,
Or is it Europe?
damn.
Rico.
Look, that's unfair because my one's covered.
With what?
Some kind of gunk.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I
L.
chose this one, isn't it?
Chugga's got to choose. Think of one for L.
I don't even know my countries.
Do states count?
No.
No, country.
Lithuania.
Found it.
That's unfair. That ain't unfair.
Are you recording that? Are you saying who's winning? This is fun. Okay, after L,
I feel like I'm in a chess match.
got to M. M.
I've got two M's.
Mexico.
Make it go. Found it.
Ah,
You know, my country.
of course.
It's not a country.
Right.
Imagine. Okay, next N.
Nigeria.
Knew it.
I'm doing
Found it.
I'm doing like the most easy.
Oh,
things.
Okay, what's next after M?
Oh, okay.
L. No. O.
You know my alphabet.
Oh, did you shake your head on that now?
I was
No.
at.
I don't know. N.
O.
Oh. Oh, that's Austria.
No, it's L.
It's not Austria.
It is L.
No, it's O. And then it's
M,
N.
O.
O. P.
Yeah,
N.
O, P.
N. N. O.
Okay, so look, you're confusing me.
Do you know a country beginning with O?
Huh?
Do you know a country beginning with
Yeah.
O? Okay. Do you know one, Chugga?
Bloody Azula. Azulia.
A.
I said Austria, and I was
I
like,
was making one,
Wow.
I was making one up.
okay, I don't know. Yeah, I know one. I
Should
know
we be
Look, there's
first to
literally
find
one
out?
right here.
Is that Oceania?
That's Australia. Basically, that's a continent, by the way.
Oh, I don't think.
I'm not putting my dumb stuff on here. So you know, I'm kind of all the dumbs. We don't know. What is it then, guys?
Oh, mom.
Oman.
Is that the only one?
There's the first one.
Oman.
O-M-A-N.
All right. Is there any more? What other countries begin with O?
Look.
Alright, next one.
But
Paris.
now.
We need to figure that out.
Easy.
What?
No, Paris is city,
Found
though.
it.
That's
That's a C.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
I forgot. I know the more cities, so.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Chugga, say it then.
Hey,
You gotta
no,
wait.
she heard
No, you
you.
can't. Spin it. Spin it. Chugga's gotta say it.
Portugal.
That's
Found it. Wait, no, it's not right.
Keep going.
Yeah, found it.
Yeah, but now you're getting smoked.
Is she?
Yeah.
Ow! I thought she did good. Oh, she's doing quite good. Okay, after P,
I'm not doing good.
Q.
Q.
Oh.
Do you know one beginning with Q?
I don't know.
No,
But
that's
I'm gonna think of one.
Oh, I was gonna say. You don't just stop when you feel like it. You win by pure dominance.
Q. What's Q? I don't know. Cool. I know, but it can't be a thingy though, isn't it? That's I can think of capitals. Who else,
Yeah,
Marcus?
but it can't be it. It's a
Do you know one beginning with Q? Okay. Do you don't know one beginning with Q then?
Queensland.
I do. I thought Queensland, but that's Australia.
Queensland?
That's Australia city. Yeah. All right. I don't know Q.
Yeah, just give that.
Next one, Jugger.
R.
Yeah, I'm not saying it.
Oh, I don't like you.
Spin it. Russia, I'm saying it.
Found it.
Did he get it first? Okay. What's he doing wrong? Is he doing something wrong?
Nothing. I said I wasn't gonna
Okay.
do it, but then I did it.
Next one.
S.
What?
S.
You've got to say.
Oh, I thought it was choosing
Hands by your sides.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Is that what you're choosing?
Oh, no.
So,
Okay.
Ah,
Saudi. How do you say it?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Next.
Q-R-S-T.
Pennsylvania.
That's the.
You said
Oh,
What?
Pennsylvania
Different.
City.
Oh yeah.
I said Trinidad, but it's too late because I'm looking for it. Spin
That's
it.
not fair.
Spin it. Spin it. Wait until it stops. And hands by your side.
Okay, you
Hands
want
down.
mine
Hands
stops
down.
too.
Don't look at anything. Okay, close your eyes. Wait. You're looking right at it, aren't you, Rico?
No, but that's not fair.
No, I'm not.
Say the country chugga beginning with T. Which one are you choosing?
Can I get this? Togo.
Togo, sit right below.
Found it.
What's it below me there?
A country called Burkina Faso. Burkina. I
didn't see it.
No,
Oh, so tiny.
I found it and then I lost it. It's right there.
It's so small. Okay, good. Okay, next one. After T.
U, isn't it?
Ukraine.
Yeah. Found it.
Found it.
If Rico's just winning,
Okay, next.
there's no way to. You can't come back.
Alright, next one after you.
Actually, no, you might be able to get.
The. Oh, I know one.
That's weird.
Why that one?
This
Why?
side.
Oh snap.
Found it.
I forget it's in.
It's not in Europe.
No.
South
I
America.
was prepared for like Vietnam
Oh.
or like
Okay, next
No,
one.
I could have guessed Venezuela.
W.
Wales.
Found it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
How do you think you found it?
I did. It's right there.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, that's
What's next?
weird.
Was no more.
X.
What about Y?
No, but it's.
Was it Wales? What comes after?
No, it's not come back.
X. It's not beginning of X.
He's saying that I've lost.
Oh,
it.
okay. Shall we stop then?
No,
We still
carry
do
on.
it.
What?
There's no countries that begin with the letter.
Okay, so what's next?
Y.
Y.
Hotter than Nepal and Singapore. Great, but don't forget the.
We found O.
Didn't find it. We didn't know one.
Yeah, Oman.
Oh my days.
Oh yeah.
What was it again?
Yemen.
What continent is it?
I thought I knew where it was, but apparently not.
Jordan, Brunei.
Come on, Malay, you can get this one. This should be the bonus one.
No.
Look, the Z is going to be the bonus. You get 10 points if you get Z.
Oh, I found it.
I just want to say this.
Same.
Y-E-M-E-N, right?
Yeah, that's
Me and
Yemen.
Well done.
Malay, we went
Under
to
Saudi
F.
Arabia.
Me and Malay, we went to F.
You went to F. I know it's not fair, so you didn't get a chance. Did you want to do more? You didn't feel like you can.
Z.
That's right.
Come on.
Okay, Chugga, this one is for 5 points. So hands by your
5.
side. Yeah.
This is some sexist thing.
No, it's not.
Zimbabwe.
Oh, that's
Found it.
easy.
Wait, Zimbabwe. Yep, found it.
Okay.
I looked at Zambia and I looked at Zimbabwe.
I found Zambia.
There you go. So Rico's the winner. Give him a clap, everybody. He's allowed to win.
No.
I don't need your applause. I'm a champ.
Clap.
I don't need your applause because I'm a champ. No slow clap.
Oh, well done.
I don't need your praise.
How much did I lose by? Find a yellow country?
Yeah.
Yeah, yellow. Find a yellow one. Yeah, that's a yellow one.
That's the big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. Do you know where that is? That's the United States.
Nice thing. Right.
Find a green one.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that a big one?
Yeah.
Is that the Russian Confederates?
Come on, let's go, everybody, let's go all around the world. In Italy, we'll see the Leaning Tower of Pisa and the Roman Colosseum. Let's visit Latvia, Albania, Austria, and then we'll go to Belgium. We can run with the bulls and then take a look at Pablo Picasso's artwork in Spain. We'll take the train from Serbia to Slovakia to Slovenia and spend a few days in the Ukraine. We'll see the Pope in Vatican City and then Sweden and Romania, and then we'll go to Turkey.